So in my last video, I spoke about the project that I'm doing at my mother's place to renovate the old section of the house so that it can match the extended one and try to modernize it and make it more spacious and utilize all the space which is available. So in the old section of the house, this used to be the kitchen area, and as you can see now, it had been used as the storage room. And at the moment, this is where we are keeping the cement for the construction and just a whole lot of other things that we no longer use at home. So the idea with the kitchen is we are going to break this wall here from the top and leave it maybe this high. In that way, we'll create a counter which will then go on to connect in the inside and go all the way around. As you can see in some of the renders that I've created, this is how the kitchen will look like after the whole construction is done. And the roof as well, we are going to change the roof. So we are going to install a truss system, which means we have a ceiling and some drop lights. Then on this side, this right here used to be the old sitting room for the 3-roomed house, like the old section of the house. And the idea now is to remove this wall here, this wall section of the wall. We are going to remove it. In that way, someone who's in the kitchen will have a clear view of the sitting room. And if we have someone who's making something in the kitchen, they can easily communicate with someone who's sitting in the sitting room. And as you can see, the demolitions have already started in the construction. As you can see, the roof was lower than the extended one. And now the idea is to connect them at the center. And in order to do that, I had to extend this side of the house. So that will be the new wall, the new perimeter wall. And we have already demolished the side walls and removed the roofing. And as I mentioned earlier on, we'll install a truss system. So all of these planks will go. This wall will stay where it is. And as you can see in the render 3D that I made, it will increase the size of the sitting room and it will create more space, especially on this area where most of this wall is going to be demolished. And this used to be a bedroom, and similar to the sitting room that we just left, it has been extended. So now it's going to be a little bit wider. And I don't know, I'm still conflicted on if I should just add in-suite bathroom and a walk-in closet. So the idea will be to put, like, on this corner area here, to put in an in-suite standing shower and a toilet in that corner. The advantage is there's already a sewer system which is located on the opposite side of this wall, and it hasn't been used. It was just installed. I don't know the designs back in those days, because this used to be corporate houses or council houses which were built by the council. But anyway, this bedroom will be big, will be really huge. Now coming into the bathrooms. So this was like the old setup of the bathroom, where the bathroom and the shower separate from the toilet, which I think it eats up a lot of space. This wall here, it eats up a lot of space. So the idea is I need to break this wall in between and just join the bathroom area and the toilet. As you can see on the render, I need to put in a glass shower box on that corner, then a washing machine on that area. Because I've removed the wall that used to separate the bathroom and the toilet, it will create an area where I can put in a sink, a mirror, and some cupboards. And by the looks of it, it will open up some space. And considering that, I'll put in a slide door as well. Then on this area here, it opens up some space to put in like a shelf on that corner where we can store maybe a shoe rack, I don't know, books, whatever other things that can be stored there. Yes, so this is where the project is at right now. The guys that I'm working with, they're really being professional. They're good when it comes to communicating. I haven't had any problems with them. You know, we are technically working together because I'm a hands-on type of a guy as well. So I have been contributing and putting my engineering knowledge to use as well, in just contributing to the smooth flow of the project, which is really exciting because this is the house that I grew up in. And I think it's great that now I'm at an age where I can go back and improve the place that I grew up in. So yes, definitely a mess, but I can't wait to see how it will look like after everything has been done. All right, guys, I think that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.